Hello students, today we will learn subject English, unit number 3, lesson number 3, Toto the hen. Students, in this lesson we will learn how pet animals can be our best friends. Students, do you know what is a pet animal? A pet animal is an animal which is kept at home. Cats, dogs, rabbit, tortoise and hens are mostly kept as pets by people. Now let's start with the lesson. The name of the lesson is Toto the hen. Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was very smart hen. So in this lesson, Rahish is the name of a boy. He had a black hen as his pet. The name of the pet was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. A coop is like a small cage where small animals like hens are kept. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. So, Rahish used to give food to Toto every day and also played with her. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto, cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house. So, whenever Toto made that sound, Rahish used to come out of his house and take the egg with him. So, one day when he was sleeping, he heard Toto making that special sound. So, he came out of his house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. So when Rahish came out, Toto pecked his leg. What is the meaning of pecked? Pecked means a bite which is made by a bird with its beak. Rahish smelled something burning. Oh my God, the coop is on fire, he shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water, took the pipe, then he showered the water and put out the fire. So students, when Rahish saw that the coop was burning, he takes the water pipe in his hand, showers the water and puts out the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, cock, cock. So students, Rahish takes Toto in his arms and says, you are my dear friend, you have saved my farm. Then Toto happily replies to Rahish, making a special sound, cock, cock, cock. So students, in this lesson we learn that how pet animals can be our best friends and how sometimes they can save us and our belongings also. Students, it is time for some activity now. Here some pictures are given. We have to look at the pictures and write the answers in the box. The first picture given here is of a hen. So, we will write in the box hen. Here we can see a picture of a farm. So, here we will write farm. Here we can see a picture of a dog. So, here in the box we will write dog. Now, here we can see a picture of a cat. So, we will write in the box cat. Here we can see a picture of a duck. So, we will write here duck. Here we can see a picture of a hen. So, we will write hen. Students, we can see some seeds over here. So, we will write in the box seeds. Students, I hope you have understood the lesson. So, read the lesson given on page number 26 of your English textbook. Thank you.